Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're unboxing this Toshiba portable air purifier. Alright guys, it comes in two pieces. It's actually really nice looking. I mean, check out the breathability of this thing. So the whole way around, it's just breathable. The whole way. That is impressive. That it is definitely a good purification system. And check out that fan in there. That is a massive fan. So, something that's very important, guys, make sure you go ahead and pull out this filter here and take off this plastic. This has to come off before you turn this on. A lot of people wonder if you can wash this. I recommend just hand washing it. I recommend taking it outside and, kind of hitting it to get the dust loose, and then wiping it off with a damp towel and then drying it with a dry towel, obviously. But yeah, put the filter back in. So let's see, it would go like this, that way. I don't think either way really matters, but set it in like that, and this gets set on top. That is really nice, guys. Really nice purification system. So, if you're wondering where the power plug is, don't fear. The power plug is inside the box, so make sure you pull it out. Power plug goes right here. To take the top off, you press in the side right here. There is a manual inside the box as well. Alright, once plugged in, after a couple seconds, it's going to beep. Now we're ready. So we're going to press. So it's on automatic right now. You can also switch to manual. And then under manual, you can select fan speed. So it goes all the way up to 12. So let's start on 1. Super quiet. And here it shows. Number 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. And 12. So that's the maximum, and you can really feel the air being pulled in. You of course have timer. You of course have your light, so you can turn the display on and off, or dim. So you got bright, dim, off. If you hold that for 3 seconds, it resets your filter light. You can tap the UV to turn the UV light on or off. And of course you can set it to automatic, night, and there's auto. So these are different modes. Mode, you control it. That is nighttime, which is quiet. Automatic, it decides for itself. Overall, guys, a very nice unit.